Juan is an ordinary Filipino. He receives his salary through his ATM account and pays his bills regularly. Like a majority of Filipinos, he prefers to use cash for his payment transactions, even if most of it can easily be made through various means such as debit and credit cards, internet banking, and electronic money. Every pay period, he withdraws all of his salary from his ATM account. His reasons? There are limited transactions he can do through an ATM. Even though there's an option for bills payment, he can't pay his bills since the merchants are not among his bank's list of merchants. Even though his ATM card is a debit card, only big merchants accept it as a means of payment. Other merchants prefer to receive cash. Unauthorized transactions and offline terminals can really be an inconvenience. He prefers to withdraw all of his salary than be bothered by this problem. We also have Maria, a shop owner. Even if she buys some of her merchandise online, she prefers to do her transactions in cash. Her reasons: there are so many steps to follow when buying online and choosing to pay using her bank account. First, she has to access the website of the merchant and the payment gateway. Then, she would have to proceed to an ATM to make a fund transfer. After which, she would have to submit the payment details to the payment gateway for validation. Rather than go through all these procedures, she just chooses the option cash on delivery. As a shop owner, she personally prefers to receive payments in cash because she can immediately use it to buy more supplies rather than wait for funds to be cleared for the next 3 days. And a fund transfer to her account would cost her at least 150 pesos, which she doesn't see the value of, especially when the funds are not made available to her immediately. These are the issues an ordinary Filipino faces when engaging in electronic payment transactions. The National Retail Payment System, or NRPS, addresses these issues by defining high-level policies, principles, and standards which, when adopted, would lead to the establishment of a safe, fast, and convenient retail payment system. It is a policy and regulatory framework that aims to provide direction in carrying out electronic payment activities. So what are the benefits of NRPS? Payments will be faster and more efficient. Payments will be easier, as transferring funds from one account to another can be done immediately, even if the accounts are from different financial institutions. Payments will be secure and reliable. Since the system is regulated, principles and standards are strictly implemented to ensure the security of transactions and activities performed in the country's retail payment system, as well as the resiliency of its operations against disruptive events. This way, ordinary Filipinos like Juan and Maria will be able to experience safe, fast, and convenient retail payment system. But it's not only the ordinary Filipino who is happy. Even small and big businesses are more than glad to know that through NRPS, funds can readily be made available to recipients, allowing them to do their purchases at once. Likewise, through NRPS, government collections and disbursements shall be safe, fast, and convenient across all stakeholders. This increase in the velocity of transactions results in the creation of more economic transactions that eventually impacts the country's GDP. This is NRPS, our way to a safe, fast, and convenient retail payment system, which empowers every Juan and Maria.